I swear to God, I'll beat you down.
Back in the day.
Ladies and gentlemen, what you see before you here is one of the ways that the Hawaiians prepare their food in the days of old. In the underground oven called the imus, called high-end. Now we also cook food above the ground, what we call koleko, which is roast at an open fire. And then of course, many of the foods, especially those collected at the ocean, are eaten raw or salty and dry. Earlier this morning, we started a large fire in the center of the imus, about 3 feet long, using what we call kiawe wood. We call the wood kiawe, some of you call that wood mesquite. Now, along with the kiawe, we throw in some riverbed rock and make a big pile in the center. Light it up, let it burn for a while until the rocks are red hot and the logs are burned down to coal. Once that happens, we very carefully spread the coals out evenly. Over the bottom of the pit, take a few of the hot rock, place them over to the side. Then we take banana leaves and tea leaves, place them over the hot coals to create a hali'i, or a blanket of leaves over the coals, and that's to protect the pig from the direct fire. We then take the pua'a, lay it on its lap in the bed of leaves, put a few of the hot rock into the center cavity of the pig to create heat on the inside. Then we cover it with more banana leaf and tea leaf. Then the burlap and canvas go on to keep the soil out. The soil goes on finally to keep the heat and steam in. Now what I'd like to ask at this point is for those of you in the immediate front row, you can just sort of squat down on the ground so the people behind you can get a look over your shoulder.
Oh, thank you.
What's the voice? What's the voice?
Well, I can't because it's letting down now.
I didn't get voice that I had
I want to get out of here.
I know. We can. We can get out of here.
Well, this evening, our imu contains one pua'a. In the days of old, when an entire village would get together for a luau celebration like this, the imu could be 20 feet long, containing 4 or 5 pigs along with fish and cooking bananas, sweet potato taro. It's a real effective way to cook a lot of food at one time.
It's a blanket. Look, push your voice up, push your voice up.
Yeah, like
Now these are the tea leaves that I told you about. We use the tea leaf like aluminum foil to wrap and bake our food. We also use that same tea leaf to adorn our body during the hula. And we can make a pretty good white lightning from the roots of that tea plant. We call it koleho. So all the way around, real important plants to the Hawaiian people. It's a member of the Dracena family.
Don't touch them.
Again, our to the underground oven about 8:30 this morning, cooking all day here. So this time, do enjoy the offer about pua'a.
that a pig?
It's a pig.
So all that and we can't even eat it?
Right. Exactly.
Don't even dare.
Hawaiian luau food. Thank you.